Good evening all. Welcome to Math Classes by MSR. Today we are going to discuss about projection rules. In the last class we discussed about sine rule, cosine rule and problems based on both the rules we discussed. So in this video we are going to discuss about projection rules as well as problems based on projection rules. So what is projection rule? In any triangle ABC, A is equals to, A is nothing but length of BC. Length of BC is equals to B cos C plus C cos B in terms of B and C. And length of B is equals to C cos A plus A cos C. Whereas C is equals to A cos B plus B cos A. Now, how to prove this three rules? So, A is B cos C plus C cos B, B is C cos A plus A cos C, C is A cos B plus B cos A. So, if you take any triangle ABC, let us draw AD perpendicular to BC. Then we say BD is projection of AB, CD is projection of AC. BD is called projection of AB, CD is called projection of AC. So, how to prove this rule? So, take the triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, consider cos B. What is cos B is equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. That is BD by BD is adjacent side for cos B, the angle B. Adjacent side, this is hypotenuse. BD by AB. Okay, that implies what is BD is equals to AB cos B. Okay, that is AB is nothing but C cos B. So BD length we got. This is C cos B we got. Okay, now triangle ACD we consider. Triangle ACD. From triangle ACD, find out cos C. Cos C. Cos C is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is CD. CD by what is hypotenuse? AC. From this, what is AC is equals to? Or otherwise, what is CD is equals to? AC into cos C. AC into cos C. AC is nothing but B. B cos C. So CD length we got B cos C. So what is this total length? BC is nothing but here, right? Therefore, A is equals to BD plus DC. BD plus DC. BD is C cos B. DC is B cos C. Okay, that is A. So A is equals to C cos B plus B cos C. So this is projection rule 1. That is A is equals to B cos C plus A cos B. B is equals to C cos A plus A cos C. C is equals to A cos B plus B cos C. Similar way, if you draw perpendicular from P onto the AC, you can prove the next rule. That is B. Similarly, from C, if you draw a perpendicular on AB, then you can find C. Okay, this is about projection rule. Next, we will discuss the problems based on projection rules. Okay, now we are going to discuss problems on projection rules. So, what are the projection formulae? A is equals to B cos C plus C cos B. B is equals to C cos A plus A cos C. C is equals to A cos B plus B cos A. So A in terms of B and C, B in terms of C and A, C in terms of A and B. So how to solve this problem there? Angle A is given 45 degrees, angle B 75 degrees, and we have to find the value of A plus C root 2. Now if you clearly observe, this expression contains A and C. This expression contains A and C. So what is the formula we have in terms of A and C? That is B is equals to C cos A plus A cos C. So I will take this formula. B is equals to C cos A plus A cos C. Okay. Now C into cos 45 degrees, because A value given 45, plus A into cos C, because here A value 45, B value 75. What will be the angle C? Angle C will be 180 minus of angle A plus angle B. That is 180 minus of angle A plus angle B. Angle A is 45 plus 125, 120. That is 60 degrees. So angle C is 60 degrees. So A cos 60. So C into cos 45 is 1 by root 2 plus A into cos 60 is 1 by 2. So you will get here C by root 2 plus A by 2. C by root 2 plus A by 2. Okay, here LCM is 2. Root 2 times, so root 2C plus A is equals to B here. Now what is the value of A plus C root 2 now? A plus C root 2 is 2 into B, 2B. So A plus C root 2 only they asked to find out. So we got the value A plus C root 2 equals to 2. How we are solved? So as the given expression in terms of A and C, so we used the formula for B. B is equals to C cos A plus A cos C. Then we followed. With the given results, A value got 45, B value 75. So we found C. So based on that, we proved that A plus C root 2 is given as A plus C root 2 as 2B. Okay. This is problem number. Now listen, the second problem on projection rule. They are given in triangle ABC, cos C plus cos A by C plus A plus cos B by B value they asked. Cos C plus cos A by C plus A plus cos B by B. So by observing this expression, what is the next step will be? So you take the LCM, that is B times of C plus A. Now B times of this, B cos C plus B cos A plus C plus A times of cos B, C cos B plus A cos B. So this is the numerator we got. Now if you see clearly, B cos C and C cos B. See here, B cos C plus C cos B. B cos C plus C cos B is A. This term and this term I considered. B cos C plus C cos B. Next again, B cos A plus A cos B. B cos A plus A cos B. That is obviously C. Okay, C is equals to A cos B plus B cos A. Similarly, now denominator B by A plus C. Now very easy it is. So A plus C 1 times cancels. So your answer is 1 by B. So in any triangle ABC, cos C plus cos A by C plus A plus cos B by B value, how much we got? 1 by B. Now listen to the third problem on projection rule itself. In triangle ABC, A times of cos square B plus cos square C plus cos A times of C cos C plus B cos B. So this value we have to calculate. How to do this? Just what you do is just remove the brackets. A times of cos square B plus A times of cos square C plus cos A into C cos C, that is C cos A cos C. Again cos A times of B cos B, that is B cos A cos B. Okay, now you see, observe here, A cos square B, this term and this term, I will take cos B common. A cos square B and here B cos A cos B, I am taking cos B common. So what is the big, why I am taking cos B common is, if you take cos B common here, A cos B will be left here, B cos A will be left here, so that you will get C. So here I will take cos B common, cos B, here A cos B left, plus here B cos A. Similarly, what is that we can take common in these two terms? In these two terms, what is that we can take common? Straight away, cos c we can take common. As it is cos square c, we can take cos c common. Okay, so if you take cos c common, you are left with a cos c plus, here cos c taken common, you left with c cos a. Okay, now cos b into a cos b plus b cos a is nothing but c plus cos c times of a cos c plus c cos a. A cos c plus c cos a. What is the value? It is b. Now again you got c cos b plus b cos c, that is a. So the third problem is a times of cos square b plus cos square c plus cos a times of c cos c plus b cos b is a. This is third problem. Now listen, fourth problem on projection rule. In triangle ABC, a times of b square plus c square into cos a, again b of c square plus a square into cos b, c of a square plus b square into cos c. This value we have to calculate. First of all, remove the brackets. So a b square cos a into b square into cos a. Next, a into c square into cos a, that is a c square cos a. Next, b c square cos b plus b a square cos b, b a square cos b plus again c a square cos c, c a square cos c. Next, c b square into cos c, c b square into cos c. Now we observe a b square cos a, okay, a b square and b a square. So this term and this term, in these two terms I can take a b common or not? From these two terms I will take a b common. So if you take a b common, here b cos a, here what is left with? A cos b. Okay, so you might have understood why I have taken a b common. So you got again a simplified form. So again, ac square cos a, ca square cos c. From these two terms, I can take ac common. AC if you take common, here c cos a plus a cos c. Next, left with these two terms. In these two terms I can take bc common. If you take bc common, bc times of c cos b plus b cos c. Okay, now ab times of, what is b cos a plus a cos b? That is c. So abc. Again, ac into c cos a plus a cos c, that is b. ac into b, abc. Next, bc into c cos b plus b cos c, that is a. So abc. So finally your answer is 3abc. Okay, this is problem number 4 from projection rule. So we discussed some problems on projection rule. We'll meet again with the next concept and problems based on the next concept, that is okay, this is about projection rules. In the next video we are going to discuss about tangent rules and Malevich rules and problems based on them. Okay, so just few problems we solved on projection rule. At last, in the miscellaneous, we are going to discuss more number of problems on each concept. And miscellaneous, we are going to discuss more number of problems. Okay, bye. We'll meet again.